Karon magluto taog.
Bulag.
Magluto taog sa tulutuon CAJUN Shrimp. Nakoy kuan shrimps because are frozen. Kasi it's been in the fridge for a while. Kasi tapulan man ko mag-atog grocery store to buy a fresh one. But since I have it, I'm gonna cook it. So let's go. Karon magluto na ko. I got oils, but you could use whatever oil you have at home. I think I'll just use the coconut oil. But you could have any oil. Any oil would do. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna put oil. Make sure your pot is hot already. So, ako aning make sure na init na siya. And then, lagyan ko ng coconut oil. So, this is like 2 tablespoons of oil. Yeah, it's 2 tablespoons of oil. I-melt ko na siya. Yeah, I have to make the oil hot. So, dapat mainit before I put my onions. Then, about the onions, I have this is like half a cup of onions. I already chopped them. Then, I'll wait for the oil to get really hot before I put them in. Now, mainit na ang mantika. Ilalagay ko na ang onions. So, I'm gonna fry the onions. I'll put the heat up. I'll wait for it to get hot. Then, for the meantime, I have garlic paste. You could use garlic paste, or you could use the regular garlic. But, I have this garlic paste, so I'm gonna use this. I bought this at any Mediterranean grocery stores. They would have those. Any European stores would have those too. Ito yung garlic paste. Then, haluan ko siya nitong crawfish, shrimp, and crab boil. Nabili namin to sa New Orleans when we went there. It's a Louisiana fish fry product, and it's good for shrimps and crab boil. But I'm not gonna boil my shrimp. I'll fry them. And I'll just put a dash of it, like maybe 2 tablespoons of this mix. It's spicy. This one is spicy. Because I tried this before and it's spicy. Yep. Okay. Put a tablespoon of salt. Chopped onions. And then mix it. I'm waiting for the onions to turn brown a little bit, and then I'll put on my garlic paste. Like I said, you could use the regular garlic if you don't have the garlic paste, but I really want to try this. I really want to try the garlic paste. I think that's gonna give the big kick for the food, I mean the taste. Alrighty. Okay, I'm gonna get like 2 big spoonfuls, like it's more than that. Oh, I'll put 2 tablespoonfuls of the garlic paste. And I'll have to mix it. Mix, mix, mix. hey. And boy, it smells so good. Sarap ng amoy. Gutom na ako. I'll pour in my frozen shrimps. Yeah, Daddy said it smells good, huh? And there they are. Okay, I have 3 cups of water in a bowl. Kasi kailangan ko i-dissolve itong shrimp and crab boil mix. Crawfish, shrimp and crab boil mix. Dissolve ko siya sa water. Kailangan ko rin kasi ng tubig sa aking shrimps kasi it's too dry. Gusto ko yung soapy na soupy na shrimp. Para masarap yung sabaw-sabaw niya. Then, just mix it. Mix. Para ma-dissolve yung granules ng shrimp mix. Then, tapos, ma-dissolve sila. I'm gonna pour it there on my shrimp. Let me mix them. Oh boy, the spoon is hot. Okay, let's use this. Sarap. Bango-bango niya na. Yum. Okay, yeah, it's too dry. Okay, it's ready. I'm gonna pour it in. There it goes. And then, i-mix ko sila ulit. Holy crap. Lapit mahulog ang kaldero kasi busy aking dalawang kamay, no? Nagvi-video pa, nagluluto pa, saan kanyan. Diba, multitasking talaga ang mga nanay. Well, especially women are good in multitasking. Do you agree? I hope you do. And it's boiling. Ayos, luto na aking ulam. Pwede nyo haluan ng mais, corn, or sausage para mas masarap. Pwede rin lagyan ng clams or tahong mussels to make it more yummier. Tara, let's eat!